All right, one thing that's going to be really interesting as we get more and more features from ChatGPT is what will happen with all of these softwares that allow you to chat with your documents. Well, let's take a look and we'll look at this one here called Summaverse. So, if you don't know what this is, welcome. My name's Jordan Wilson, and I'm the host of Everyday AI. So, we're a daily live stream, newsletter, podcast, just about everything, helping everyday people learn and leverage AI. And this is our AI in 5, where we, in about 5 minutes, show you an AI and how to use it. So let's look at Summaverse. So this promises to let you chat with documents, AI-powered summaries, and interactive discussions. So like I talked about at the top of this video, is a lot of these features are being rolled out into ChatGPT by default now. So it's going to be interesting to see what happens with all of these, kind of PDF readers or, document readers. So I thought it might be worth it to take a look at this one here called Summaverse. So uh, you can get a free account. Otherwise, you have paid accounts here. Um, it looks like it's in a different currency. It's in IDR, which I'm looking up here actually what it is. So um, IDR is the Indonesian rupiah. So that price there, so the 62,000 five, let's see, 62,000 is roughly, let's see what this is a month here. We got it, guys, about $4 a month, the basic plan. So pretty affordable paid plan if you wanted to start out with that. And then you can obviously, in the right-hand corner there, click to USD as well. All right, so I signed up for a free account. Let's go ahead and jump in and kind of see how this works. So it says you can upload, summarize, and chat with your documents. So I have a document here that I'm going to bring up about the the future of ChatGPT and what it means. So this is just actually a little carousel document, nothing crazy, not a ton of content, but a decent amount. So looks like when I upload it, it brings a document preview here. Okay, everything looks good in this preview. So I'm going to go ahead and click continue. All right. And then it loads it and it says document indexing in progress. Indexing your documents is a work in progress. It might take a little longer. All right. So let's see. I'm going to go ahead and click pause on this video just because I don't want you to wait around, but I'm going to let you know exactly how long it took to process this document. And again, it's a pretty short content. There's not a ton of text in here. Okay. Well, it's already done. So that's great. It just took a matter of seconds. Okay, so now I can, on the right-hand side here, I can kind of label what it is. I can, say what kind of summary type. So whether I want an abstract, extractive, bullet point, key point. It would be great if there was a little bit more information on what the difference between all those were. And then you can also choose your summary language. So I'm going to go ahead and do a bullet point summary in English. So, okay, it looks like I do have to pick a topic. So I'm going to say this is business and document type. This is, it's really not, I guess it's a presentation. So let's go ahead and see how Summaverse handles this document. Again, this document was essentially just on the future of ChatGPT and what it means. And funny enough, we talk about all tools mode, knowledge cutoff, and all tools mode is essentially the ability to work with all tools in ChatGPT by default, including uploading and chatting with your PDFs. So we'll actually see what kind of summary we can get, because some of this is text that I created. Some of it is screenshots of just different things online. So let's go ahead and see how the summary is. So pretty good summary. So it says it's summarizing kind of the timeline here, all tools mode and knowledge cutoff. Okay, so at least the basics here, it looks like everything is accurate. That's always one thing you want to look for when using a new piece of software or using something inside ChatGPT or any other large language model, is you always want to keep a look at accuracy. Is it accurate? So before you ever use this for a specific purpose, always, regardless of what tool you're using, is go ahead and do some accuracy tests. So I still have the this up here. So I can discuss. So I'm going to click start discussing, and I'm going to see if it can read screenshots or if it can just read the text in the presentation. I am assuming it can read screenshots. So we're giving this mode here a second to load. I'll go ahead and move myself over so we can see this kind of chat interface here. So it's taken a little bit to load. So I'm going to go back to discuss. Maybe this is something, I'm not sure. Maybe it's something on the free plan. It doesn't work. Okay, there we go. Okay, so it's giving me some suggestions of things I can discuss. So it's saying like, what are some of the most recent updates? So I'm actually going to go in here and I'm going to test this. So I'm going to say, how can you use tools without switching? Or I'm going to say, what tools can you use without switching in all tools mode? Okay, so what tools can you use without switching in all tools mode? So we'll see if this works, because again, this was a screenshot. I did not type this in. So you want to see if these tools have kind of the the OCR kind of text reading abilities, or if it is just looking at the actual text that I scan. So we'll give this a second here, and we'll quickly. Yeah, let's go ahead and quickly jump over. We'll try to wrap this one up here soon and look at some of the other features. So aside from being able to chat and summarize with the documents, looks like you can upload, configure the summary, which I like, generate the summary. You can personalize it according to your needs. Not a ton of personalization. It's just more of choosing mode, being able to summarize your projects, getting more insights, etc. So one other thing I wanted to see is in the pricing, kind of the credit system here. So it looks like it's actually a pretty decent free plan. You get 5,500 credits, but they do not roll over. Whereas if you're on a monthly plan, it does roll over. I'm not immediately seeing kind of what constitutes a credit. Let's see. Okay, so it looks like, okay, kind of a little costly. So it takes about 30 credits to summarize one page. So it looks like on the free plan, that's what, 150 pages, something like that. All right, so let's jump in. Let's jump back and see how it did. So I asked, what tools can you use without switching in all tools mode? So it says in the given context, it states that the update access to browsing, advanced data analysis, and DALL-E is automatic. Therefore, you can use these tools without switching. So it did a good job. So it didn't catch up. So it caught browsing, advanced data analysis, and DALL-E. So pretty good job. So just from a very quick overview of Summaverse here. So it did its job. It was fairly quick. I would have liked to see some better descriptions. Specifically, what are the differences between all of these different summary types? That would have been helpful. But overall, pretty good, pretty straightforward use case for Summaverse. However, it's going to be interesting now with ChatGPT rolling out this all tools mode. What's going to happen with all of these kind of AI PDF readers or document readers? It's going to be interesting, but regardless, pretty good basic product from Summaverse. So if this was helpful, I hope it was. Make sure to go to youreverydayai.com, sign up for the free daily newsletter, and we hope to see you back for another AI in 5. Thanks, y'all.